Hi guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be roasting some mushrooms in garlic and balsamic vinegar. This is a great side dish for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner or any dinner any night of the week. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. In today's video, we're going to need mushrooms, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, minced garlic, herb de Provence, and salt. Start by drizzling your olive oil on your mushrooms. Then add your minced garlic, your herbs, and your salt. Now mix your mushrooms to ensure that all of them are covered. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir, then drizzle the balsamic vinegar on top of all of your mushrooms, then stir again. Serve warm. I hope you enjoy!